Hello my friends, I am Pawan Kumar here and we are here for the competition Euro RoboCup 2013 and I want to introduce my team. Please come. Yes, and we got this stall and there is my team here. Hello team. Hello. Yes, and we are participating two teams in this competition. One is a Revolution team and one is the development team. And this is our big robot, first main robot for the participation. And as you can see, that is sponsored by Thales and Innova team. In this robot, we have many features like it has ultrasonic modules to detect the obstacles, and there are various cards to control all this system. Means there is a motor card, there is sensor card, there is intelligence card, as you can see, there are the motors with encoders on it. There are the arms which go out and which collect the bottles, as well as we also have the crane system which come out and that push the balls or candles, okay, to get the points. So this system is capable to perform from the both sides, means from the red side and from the blue side. So for that we have the switches, we have plug to start it, we have emergency switch off button. At the back side of this robot, as you can see, this is the mechanism. Okay, for the top level candles to push, and this is for the bottom level candles to push, and there are the touch switches to get in the proper line of the table. There is one robot we also have, it's a small robot. As you can see, in this robot, we have various ultrasonic sensors fixed at the different levels. It also have arms, and there are two controller boards controlling this. There is this one Arduino Uno card which is controlling the ultrasonic module sensors, and there is a micro card which is controlling the complete system. As you can see, there are two motors for the motion of the robot. There is the arm which go out and to push the gifts in the arena. There are the similar emergency button is there, start button is there, a selection of the blue and red side, and the start button for the robot. And there is a arm assembly we have now. Alexander is working on it. This arm assembly will be like this with a crane mechanism up and down. Okay. When we need to collect the bottles, only that time this arm goes down and it collects the bottle. And it's rack the bottle one on another. So it goes up and again it detects for the second bottle. So it put that glass on the other glass, it goes down and collect it again and again go up. So it's due for 3 times, and particularly it goes to their own side and it rack that glasses one on another and search for the second one. So this is our competition, this is our team working very hard from the last 6 months to participate in this competition. Thank you so much and be with us.